Hey, right here.
What? Not you. My cat. Named after the real Spider-Man. Bunch of jerks broke in here and robbed my place. Think they took Spider-Man too.
That's awful. You see where they went?
Overheard them say they're hitting the power substation. Couple blocks over.
I'll find them. And your cat.
Sure, kid. Guess it can't hurt. Spider-Man.
Should probably call Genki when I get there. Why would these dudes go to a power station? Here's my way in. Genki, I need help. Some dudes robbed Teo's bodega, then headed to the closest power station.
Weird. You've got my full attention. Watching through your live stream.
They're shooting Transformers? Okay. Huh. Easier than I thought.
Shoot and cut wires. Get the job done. Wasn't looking for orders, macho man. You sure it'll knock out the whole block? Reasonably sure. Hey, if we knock out more than one, it'll take the cops longer to catch on. I've never been part of a plan like this. That's because you've been working small time. This kind of work's got a long-term opportunity. Harder and harder for an honest criminal to make a buck in this town. Hate just waiting around.
Another one bites the dust.
Heard something. This place stinks. Literally.
Good night.
This station's output is down to 64%. Maybe you can find a backup.
Good thinking on the backup systems. You're good at this hero stuff.
Nah, I'm just a spectator.
Just need to find Teo's cat. Spider-Man! Wait! Wait! Spider-Man went down that elevator shaft. Guys! I'm coming for you, Spider-Man. Hang tight. Spider-Man, wait! Ugh.
I think I know what these dudes want. There's a bank on this block. No power means no security.
So if we fix the power, we're preventing a bank heist?
Stopping crime before it begins. In a world where only two men can see the future, only they can stop it.
All right, gotta focus. Gotta be quicker than that.
Why does the boss want to set up a deal? Harlem hasn't recovered from that mess with the Tinkerer in Roxxon Plaza. Boss knows an opportunity when he sees one.
How'd you get picked for this job?
I've worked for this guy before. You?
Friend of a friend. Thought it was a dream come true when he picked me. He's the kind that gets things done.
Ah, that's for sure. Remind me to tell you about the job I pulled for him over in Brooklyn. Way back when he was first starting out. You'll love it.
Who's there? Heads up, fellas! Spider-Man's here! Spider-Man? Which one? I heard something. What's the deal? Who's there? Can't hit him out there! You're dead! I'm taking you.
Go ahead. Try and get up.
Got him! You're smaller than the other guy! Stand still!
Sounds like someone's paying them. Any idea who? What?
So, output's at 0.
I got that.
Pulling up emergency lights. Okay. You can restore power if you charge the other backups.
On it. Man, how many people does it take to bust a power station?
You bring up the emergency lights? I thought you did. Nah. Could be one of the station workers. Keep an eye out.
Gotta watch out for spiders, man.
I was already out. I was to make sure. You want to half-ass a job for this guy? No. Good point. I should know that. Once we get our cut, you can go to 7 dental schools.
Good night.
I don't know why the cops care about us. Wow, like collar crime? That's real hustle. This beats flipping movies on the corner, I guess.
What's up? Who's your boss? Anybody I know? Seriously, who planned the bank robbery? I need to find the backup systems. Okay, gotta push ahead. Find the main generator, and hope I can fix it. These guys keep talking about their boss. Any idea who it is?
Dude, a lot of people want to rob banks.
It was worth a try. There's the main breaker. Gotta clear out these guys. Then I can figure out how to fix it.
Stay sharp, boys. Someone
Now they're waiting for Spiderman.
Our boss has got too many enemies. Yeah, but he beats them every time. Not all of them being out Spider-Man.
Sounds like whoever planned the heist knows Spider-Man. And not in a good way.
Has to be the other one. I don't have that many enemies.
Yet.
Great optimism, bro.
Small. Doesn't matter. We got a job. We'll finish it. Man, I should have gone to dental school. Once we get our cut, you can go to 7 dental schools. What was that?
Here, take 5.
Never thought I'd say it, but I'm missing 3 hearts in a cart.
Spider-Man's here! Heads up!
Guys, we got a man down! Someone back me up! All right, I'm here. Guys! Who is that?
I'm liking this!
Spider-Man! Crap! Heads up!
Forget this. Going in loud.
If that hurt!
Okay, contact.
Get this thing away from me!
Get him back out here! Dodge this!
Time to check the breaker. Connection solid. Power should be rerouted. Time to flip the breaker. Let there be...
Kitty, it's okay.
Spider-Man?
You can't have him! Don't you know it's rude to interrupt the bonding process? I'll crush you!
You don't stand a chance, kid! He's mine! I'm gonna end you! Give me your best shot! Keep him on the ground! You ain't getting through me!
He's mine!
Get over here! You're dead!
Tell me who planned the bank robbery. Give me the cat, and I'll let you go. Deal?
No deal! Don't let him leave here!
Seriously, guys? Give up your boss. I'll figure it out eventually.
You think we're scared of you? He's 10 times worse!
Got Spider-Man lined up!
What do you mean your boss is worse? I'm mopping the floor with you.
You don't kill people! Boss does!
I got a gun! Now!
Come here!
Now for the breaker. For real this time. Let's get out of here, Spider-Man. power restored, bank heist stopped, Spider-Man the cat saved.
All in a day's great work. I'm posting in the FNSM app about these guys and their boss.
Belated Merry Christmas, Spider-Man.
Hey, Teo, got a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah? What's that? Spider-Man! Oh! Did you have an adventure? Oh, you almost gave Daddy a heart attack. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did. Good work, other Spider-Man. Thanks.
Yeah. Of course.